Hi, I'm Caroline Gentry with Engerati, and I'm here with Alicia Carrasco, who is the CEO of energy consultants olivoENERGY.
Hello,
Hi,
Caroline.
welcome to CIRED.
Thank you.
Just wanted to ask you a little bit about your activities generally at olivoENERGY, and I believe you're also involved with an association, so maybe you could tell us about that as well.
Yes, sure. With olivoENERGY, olivoENERGY is an energy strategy consulting, and it was created to find opportunities that are coming out of regulatory change. So we do believe that today digitalization allows the energy sector to change dramatically, and together with the framework that is also evolving, this develop or opens a lot of opportunities for many stakeholders in the industry. And we do believe that understanding, analyzing, and somehow forecasting what the regulations are going to bring and being able to share and to pass it to our customers is the main value and the main point of actions of olivoENERGY. With the association, the name of the association is Entra, Agregación y Flexibilidad, which means aggregation and flexibility. It's the Spanish Association for the promotion of aggregation and flexibility being open in Spain in the most competitive way, which means mirroring what the clean energy package asks for, and also what sector coupling and the gas package might ask in the coming years.
And I know that Spain has been very successful with its smart meter rollout. Why do you think that was, and what can other countries learn from that?
I think the main reason is because in 2007, the Spanish government decided that even without going for a cost-benefits analysis, just to request that 100% of the smart meter should be smart and should be rolled out by the end of 2018. So that means that by the end of last year, the meters are already smart in Spain. So that's why. So the mandate of the Spanish government is what has enabled, and then of course the effort coming from the industry. In fact, in Spain we do have two protocols of communication that are really supported in Spain. One is Prime by Iberdrola, and the other one is Meters Amor by Endesa and Enel.
Great. And I know you recently you authored a book with NSOE. Can you tell us a little bit about that and what your conclusions were?
Yes, there my ask was to write about digitalization, about disruptive innovation in the electricity sector, but looking back. So my task was to write from 2010 until last year, summer. So at the end I came that analyzing what happened in the last 9 years was 13 disruptive innovations that I go from having more data that the smart meter will give to you, that also include that demand response and consumers are bring into the equation of the electricity system. Also that there is a political support because of the Paris Agreement, because of the energy emergency. Also the political support is a driver of it's an innovation of the energy transition. And so we with the 13 innovations go from having more data, analyzing the data, having the political support, having more investment coming from private sector and not only because of Horizon 2020s and so on. So these are the kind of tasks that I have into talking about disruptive innovation in the electricity sector.
Okay. And what do you think the challenges are in Spain for further disruptive innovation and digitalization?
Well, I think it sits with regulations. I think the government is very proactive into promoting from the digitalization of the electricity system. We already have the smart meter. We have strong capabilities for digitalization of the sector and also to bring the consumers on board. But all the regulatory changes, even in Spain, we have shared self-consumption already in a royal decree. But to bring this down to technical details and so on, this requires time. So right now I think the challenge is more to bring together all the openings asked that the government asked to the industry, to bring it down to a specific regulation and specific ways of moving this forward. So I think the framework, the political framework is there, and the support, but I think to translate it into a specific regulation, I think it will take a bit of time, because there are many things asked and open at this time.
Yeah, certainly a big challenge. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, well, thanks for taking time with us today. Hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks.